Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on Jetstar, and we'll run through quickly on couple of updates that we have received from the past 1 or 2 days. And man, the price action has started with Jetstar. Will it continue? Will it again come back to the downtrend? And that's something that I will have to share my views on, and that would be done at the end of the video, guys. So watch out for all these topics to be covered. Good things happening with Jetstar on the back end. If in case you do not know, there is an AMA upcoming. We will discuss a little on that. There is also a giveaway that's happening that also we will discuss. And yes, the meme contest, the winners, how the announcement would happen, that also we will just go ahead and have a look, guys. So having said that, this is Mr. Aslan. Crypto education is my passion. So before we go ahead with the video, the same old disclaimer: this is not financial advice. I'm not financial advisor. Please ensure that you do your own research before you get into any token in the crypto space. I had that written down so I do not forget the lines. All right. So guys, please be wary of scams, and please do go ahead and check out my videos under crypto wisdom, where I have probably rooted out a few scams in Trust Wallet and Telegram as well, and how to stay wary about it and probably protect your hard-earned money as well as crypto assets. So please do go ahead and check that out, and leave a like and a comment on what you feel about those videos as well. Having said that, let's quickly jump onto their website. And why is it that I'm starting with the website of Jetstar? Well, this is the old website in a few days time is what I believe, because they have already teased their upcoming new website. If you just come down to the Twitter post over here in their official channel, you can see the teaser for the new website that's coming. The logo is in the 3D form. It looks really cool. I really love the color combination. That's again my personal opinion, guys. And the music is really nice. Good to see. Now, what more can we expect from the website? Well, if you have observed closely, we see that there is a link available for Agora Marketplace as well. So Agora Marketplace is coming out in the month of November, guys, probably in the mid or towards the end of November is what I presume. They're building an NFT marketplace, yes, and especially with artists like Aaron Miller on board, I strongly believe we can definitely expect a lot of amazing artwork coming out. And after which, this is very interesting because we have an EMA happening that is on 14th of October. That's at 8 p.m. EST. That's today, I believe. Yes, for me, it's today. I mean, looking at the time frames, if you can check that out: 5 p.m. PST, 7 p.m. CST, and 12 a.m. Greenwich time. What is so special about this AMA? Well, two things. As you can see on the screen, it's 10,000, 5,000, and 7,000, 2,500. A total of 17,500 JED will be given away during the AMA on the live session, guys. And I believe this would be in the lottery system for all the viewers out there who have tuned in. So it's happening with Adam Shelton. Please ensure that every one of you tune in and stand a chance to win the JED token as well. But having Jet Token 1 is on one part. Why is this EMA very interesting for me specifically, or for everyone out there who wants to know more about Jetstar? Is Aaron Miller will be part of the AMA along with two other artists. One is Mung Bean. If you have read the recent post from Jetstar official, we had a cover up for who Mung Bean was, the chief creative officer, as well as Tiamat, who is also the chief design officer of Jetstar. He's the one who is behind the website design, guys. So he's the one who is totally taking care of the design of the web. And as well as, if in case you have watched this particular promo, it was done by Tiamat. So having said that, he has a lot of talent with him. And also, why this is a special AMA is because it consists not of any person who is directly linked to the operational side of the project. It is purely dedicated to the artists who are involved with the project. And I have been telling this right from the beginning. I started making videos on Jetstar. I'm in this project for two reasons. One, the amazing artwork that each one of them have put across. Even before the Aaron Miller partnership, trust me, they were very good, amazing artworks, and there are very much well talented artists already part of the Jetstar team. If you log in, come down to the Telegram group, you can see the artwork that they keep posting once in a while. And after which, this particular time, we also have Aaron Miller. And the second reason, I'm sorry, I just caught off guard, I guess. Second reason why I like Jetstar is because they are into gaming. Now, what does both the things have in common? Artwork. So game artwork minted to NFTs, sold in NFT marketplace. You have a GameFi system established where you can earn while you play. So it's a proper combination of an ecosystem is what I can say. And trust me, the amount of effort that these guys are putting are putting in the behind the screens portion for getting artists out. I mean, it's an open invitation, guys. Even if any one of you who is watching here are artists, please do contact the Jetstar team through Telegram or Twitter or any other mode possible, so that they can get in touch with you guys, and you can probably see that possibility of getting into listing your artwork on Agora marketplace that's coming up. You would definitely be getting that opportunity to work with some of the great talented artists out there who are part of Jetstar team. Again, I'm quoting, this would be a very nice AMA and I would definitely love to be part of it. Well, it's somewhere around 4 or 4:30 a.m. for me here in India, but I'll definitely try to be part of it, because rather than hearing it from the operational perspective, I would love to know how the artists feel about this project, because it's mainly focused on their hard effort that the NFTs and the CCG game that is going to come out next year, it will be based on. So that's where I will be it will be an interesting AMA this time, is what I presume. And Adam Shelton, well, he's an interesting host as well. So having said that, guys, tune into this AMA and be part of this AMA for a amazing time, and knowing more about Jetstar and the artists behind it. Also, if you are lucky, you would be one among those three people who would be able to get Jetstar for free. Now, it would make you a potential holder. It would increase your bag size if you're already a holder of Jetstar. Having said that, the last and final point before I end this video, there was a meme contest that was run from Jetstar recently, and they had run a poll as well regarding the same. And during the poll, whatever results have come out, and whoever has won, they would be distributing the rewards in the AMA during the AMA itself. So just tune in for that also, so that the announcement would be made, and probably the distribution or the transfer might happen on the call, or probably a little later down the line. But nonetheless, the announcement for all the winners for the meme contest will also be done on the AMA, guys. So these are the quick things that I wanted to share with you about Jetstar. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I am 400 strong, guys. And probably instead of say I am, I would say we are. So my channel has been receiving a good amount of support and love from all the communities out there. For whatever communities I've been quoting videos on, be it Ryoshi, be it Saitama, be it Jetstar, I've received a tremendous amount of support and love. Please do keep the same love and support going up, so that it motivates me to bring in more such great content for every one of you out there. Having said that, thank you so much, guys. Happy weekend and have a nice day.